We are going to learn about Amazon SNS, which stands for Simple Notification Service, right? So Amazon SNS is a fully managed service, a messaging service which is provided by AWS, which actually allows you to send notification to various endpoints or devices. It supports both application to application touch and application to person touch communication patterns. Now, what do I mean when I say application to application and application to person? So basically, here you define a topic and you define a desired service to be hit into it. So how does that actually work? So we are going to see in the same video. For now, let us see what are the key features that Amazon Simple Notification Service bring us into our plate. First is messaging topic. So basically, you create a topic to the message which can be published to subscribers, and this topic receives notification, right? So you create a topic and there are a list of subscriber where you want to push the notification. For example, let us consider the example of a blog. You write a blog, right? Meaning you are creating one topic, and that post, that once you click on publish, it should be visible to the subscriber who have subscribed to your blog, right? So the same thing that SNS does here is you are creating a message topic, and then post that you are publishing the message to the subscriber. It supports multiple protocols. Amazon SNS supports multiple delivery protocols, which include HTTP, HTTPS, email, SMS, AWS Lambda, application endpoints, which includes mobile push notification and SQS. And for the next video, in order to demonstrate the same, we are going to make use of email service, right? Where we would be one of the subscriber which would be subscribing to that specific topic. Now, scalable, reliable. So SNS is designed to be highly available and scalable. It automatically distributes the messages across the multiple endpoints, right? So that was the key features of SNS. Now let us see what are the use cases that SNS bring us into a plate. So first is system alerts. You can set up alerts for your application or for your infrastructure to notify the system administrator when certain conditions are met. Okay. Second is application integration. You can integrate the component of distributed system using SNS to trigger events and data processing pipelines. And this can also be used as a broadcast message to deliver notification or updates to the user via SMS or emails. Now, how does it works at the back end? So here you need to create a topic, you need to add subscriber, and you need to send message. Three-step process: topic, subscribers, and send message. So when I say topic, so imagine you have a group chat and you set up a topic which is just like your chat group where people subscribe to get your message. So basically, you are creating a WhatsApp group and people are joining through the link, and they are also a part of WhatsApp group, right? Those people are known as subscribers. So these are the people or system that wants the update, just like phone members for getting text, email addresses, or even other app that want to receive messages. Now send messages. So it's the admin. When something important happens, your app sends a message to the topic, and the SNS forwards it to everyone. Okay. So this is the working of SNS. Now, why we should consider SNS in the first place? The first is alert, second is update, and third is automation. You get alerts, you get notified when something goes wrong in your app. You get updates, you can send notification or messages to the user for re-updates. Third is for automation. You can automatically connect different parts of your system by triggering action when certain messages are received. In short, Amazon SNS is a simple way to receive information where it needs to go, whether that's your phone, email, or other app, all without doing the work yourself, right? So that was all about SNS. So in order to understand SNS, just imagine a WhatsApp group, okay, which is your topic, the subscriber, which are the user, and the message which you are forwarding as the value that you want to push to the subscriber, right? So yeah, that was all about SNS. See you in the next hands-on where we are going to create one topic and we are going to subscribe to that specific one, and we are going to push that notification through SNS, and the data we would be getting is on the subscribed email, right? So yeah,